How to log food in Myfitnesspal. Firstly, open Myfitnesspal app. You can see here that there is a bar of search for a food in the dashboard. Click on it. You can write the name of the food like here. I'm going to write the name of the food. You can see here different foods will appear having different amount of calories. You can see that there is an option of plus. Click on it. You can see food being logged. This way you can log food in your diet plan. Just make sure watch the complete video. Consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.